Hello, and welcome to the City of Murrieta Parks and Recreation Master Plan Workshop 1 video. My name is Zachary Meeting, and I'll guide you through this presentation. The purpose of the Parks and Recreation Master Plan is to develop a guide and implementation tool for the development and management of parks and recreation facilities and programs throughout the city. Most importantly, this document is based off of local community needs, offering local recommendations based on the community's recreation patterns. The process is broken up into 5 stages. First, the inventory of existing conditions, followed by an extensive community engagement process. We balance those two in a needs analysis. Finally, developing the recommendations and funding and implementation strategies. The timeline to complete this project is approximately 12 months. You can see we've already started through the information gathering period. Now, here we are in the middle with extensive community outreach. As we go through the extensive community outreach, we'll have workshops, surveys, and several different opportunities for the community to engage with us. After that, we'll begin our report writing period, which will conclude in September. As part of our background research and inventory of the existing conditions of facilities, we look at past planning documents, such as previous park and recreation master plans, existing zoning or land use plans, as well as any current CIP and general plan elements. Another one of the elements of existing conditions we review are the demographics, and we can see here that in 2023, the total population was almost 120,000 people. We also look at the demography of that population, and we can see that 37% of the population are between the ages of 35 and 64. This is just one lens that we utilize to look at whom the community might be. As part of that inventory, we naturally look at all of the parks and facilities available. Throughout the city, there are 53 parks, 3 community centers, 2 recreation buildings, providing recreation opportunities all across the city. We look at the location of each of those parks and facilities and identify where they are in relationship to some of the neighborhoods and housing elements. We also look at the inventory of recreation programs. You can see here, the City of Murrieta offers a variety of recreation programs to the community. Programs including arts and crafts, dance and performance arts, martial arts, senior programming, sports, just to name a few. This brings us to the extensive community engagement portion. Here, we'll conduct stakeholder interviews, statistically valid multimodal surveys, as well as 3 in-person community workshops, followed by online workshops. We'll also have a project website where you can offer dedicated feedback comments at any point in time during the project. That project website is located at murrietaparksmasterplan.com. On that project website, you can follow along with the development of all the stages that we'll go through during this process, and you'll be able to see what community engagement has been collected, where, and what some of those results are. At any point in time, you can click on that community voice button and have your voice heard throughout this process. I encourage you to click on the link below and take the survey. As we collect this information, we'll post the results back online. Thank you for watching this video presentation. I look forward to seeing everybody at future workshops and hearing all of your ideas for the future of Parks and Recreation in the City of Murrieta.